Okay, y'all, this is my diamond painting setup. This is the most comfortable spot in the house. I've got the diamond painting trays over there. Most of them are filled up until I use them, and then I dump them back in the bottle. This is my diamond painting case with the bottles that I kitted up, and my drill pens and glasses and stuff I may need. Okay, I bought this table about a week ago. I'm gonna link it, and I love it. As you can see, it goes up under the chair, so I can push this table as close to me as possible. I don't have to be hunching all over. And I got it slightly tilted. And I got my magnets on the legs. There's 2 magnets. And here's there's 4 there. I bought those from Walmart. Plus some other little bitty ones. I got little grandkids. If they see one of those, it's gonna go right in their mouth. Okay, I got a fan right here. Got a lamp here, table here, pretzels there, I need a snack. And my different things that I have tried to get my diamonds to stick. So I'll talk about that when I sit down, just a minute. And this is the diamond painting I'm currently working on. It's called Fuchsia Hummingbird. It's by Diamond Art Club. And I can't even sit in here and work on this right now because it's entirely too hot. So I come in here like after midnight and work till about 3 o'clock. Else I would have had this done. It's gorgeous, y'all. Look at that. See, the fan is blowing this. That is gorgeous. Okay, just a minute. Okay. Sitting in my comfortable chair in the living room, and y'all can't see the table, so I'm gonna move this. So I'm gonna concentrate on the table. So I'm gonna lower this again. So this table, that's the way it looks under the bottom. It has, I can actually raise this, I think 5 levels, and I can tilt it 3 levels. So I got it tilted on the, which one? The first one. And it's at the right angle. Like I said, I can pull it right up to me and work on my painting. And I will put the name of it in my description box. I love it. It's nice and sturdy. Very sturdy. And if I needed to raise it even higher or make it lower, it has adjustable legs. Little buttons you push in so you can raise it or lower it. Okay, I'm going to show y'all some of these glues that I work with. All right. Starting with the micro dots. I had this first. They will work, but you have to get them so nasty and filthy for them to really work good. But it does work. These micro glue dots and the little bitty adhesive dots. It's like 2-sided tape, and it's real tiny. So you have to put 3 or 4 of these in your drill pen The multi-placer too. Come on a roll. And they have the mini dots, so these are the micro dots. It has the purse on the front. It does work, but I wanted something even better. But this does work. The next thing I bought was the Loctite. This works, y'all. I just wish they would make it clear. So, and you just need a little bit. And what I do, I use my drill pen. I just stick it on here like I do that pink wax. And then I form it over the tip. I also use it in the multi-placer. It works, but it will stain your canvas. Because when you get this on your canvas, this blue stuff, you can't get it off. Something that helps me to get it off is, where's that thing? It's a little manicure thing. Let me see. It has a rubber tip. Where is it? I just had it. Okay, well I don't see it right now. I don't know where I put it. Well, anyway. This would be perfect if it were clear. Because it works. You can use, you know, work with this in your tips for days. And it'll still be working. It's Loctite. Now I don't know nothing about the blue tack or the other tack. I know about this. It really, really, really works. Works well. Something else I got, I was looking forward to using the Paddy Waxx. I ordered this from Etsy. It came a few days ago. I got the super sticky. This little tin, and you're supposed to scrape the tip of your drill pen across this and then form this into the tip. And, you know, pull off the excess. It's like that. It's unscented. This works. And I got the regular, what you call it, Paddy Waxx. It shows the slide tin. It smells like soda pop. I was so disappointed in this. I scraped it like they said do. I tried my best to use this. I tried my best to like this. No. It don't work for me. Other people swear by it. Anyway, this is some more stuff that Paddy Waxx sent me. They sent me another Paddy Waxx in the, what's that? Beechwood. I can't even read that. Sent me another free sample of Paddy Waxx. Piece of candy, y'all. Some stickers. Cute little stickers. And what else? And some of these Jazzy Gems solid gold drills. They're gorgeous. Both sides are pretty. It looks like the gold side goes up, but the other side is diamonds. So I don't know which side is the correct side, because they both look good. Both are gorgeous. So it came in this packet. It took about 10 days for my stuff to come. This is what the Paddy Waxx came in. This little bag. It says orange soda pop. So that's the smell I got in this. This don't work for me. I am so disappointed. Okay, this will work. I found something else. Okay, they sent me a nice Personalized notes. They got my name on it, and they're thanking me for buying from them. The super sticky works. The other stuff don't work for me. Put that away. So then I ordered something else. It's called MzBrazell. It's clear. Look at that. It's like a putty. I want this to fall on me. It's like a putty, but it's completely clear. This is how I'll use the top. The stuff in the lid is like this. It looks like it's liquidy, and if you hold it upside down, it's gonna drip, but it ain't. It's like this. It's like a putty, but it's clear. So you can just take a little piece of that, put it on your drill pen. You can roll it, so you can put it on your multi-placer, and put it on the and it works a long time. And when you scrape off the excess, you can just put it back in here. It's completely clear, y'all. See that? I put in Amazon clear putty, and this is what they showed me. It's a putty. It's wonderful. So this is what I will be using. This MzBrazell. It said for glass and crystal. Like if you want to display your beautiful stemware crystal on a glass shelf, you can put a couple dots of this under your glass, and this will not show up through the shelf. So unlike gray putty or blue putty, you'll be able to see it. You won't be able to see this. It's completely clear. So it says clear MzBrazell. I don't even see a name brand on it unless it's clear. Oh, it's from the company of Code. So they the ones got that other putty. I got that too. Where is it? And that stuff got so stringy. This don't get stringy at all. It doesn't. So this is what the jar looks like. And this works. So all this stuff over here works, except for that regular putty Paddy Waxx. It don't work for me. Now, it may work for somebody else, but it don't work for me. And I was so looking forward to it because I heard such good things about it. Okay. So I want to thank you for watching my diamond painting setup over here. And I got that big fan over there going, and I got another tower fan right here. As you can see, this paper keep blowing up. And I got all my drill pins and everything. So I'll put the link for everything I talked about in this video in my description box. So I want to thank you for watching. I had to get out of here, it's too hot. The portable air conditioner unit stopped working, and I've been trying to fix it. So it's about 93 degrees in the house right now. Of course, it's air conditioned window units in the back bedrooms. So that's why I missed a couple days doing videos. It's too hot to even come up here to even think about filming. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.